Hey guys, it's Brett at Broussard Homestead. Today we're going to be saving okra seed and we're going to show you how we do that. This is the pod that's ready. This one right here. This is what it looked like a month ago. I like the look of this one, and what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to bend it down like that. And what that does is it tells us that we're going to leave it alone. We're going to leave it on the plant and let it dry so that we can collect seed. So today, now that it's nice and dry, we're going to go ahead and take it. Hopefully you can hear that rattle. That's how we know it's good and dry and ready to take the seeds out of it. So I'm just going to cut it off and go ahead and take that leaf. So now we're going to take this inside and process it. Alright guys, here we are back in the kitchen, and I actually found 2 pods that I could save seeds from today. This one's still got a little bit of green. It may not be quite ready, but we'll open it up and see. So all we do, all of these little spots open up on the spines when it's dry, and if you leave it on the plant too long, these will actually open enough to allow the seeds to fall on the ground. So we want to catch it before that. So we're going to carefully open this up. You see how those dark green dry seeds are just falling right out of there. We want to make sure and open up all the little sections and get all the seeds out. Some of them like to try to hide. You see, just from this one pod, we're getting probably, I'd say about 40 seeds, 40, 50 seeds. That's an estimate. So that one's all done, and this can go back in the compost. And we're going to see how this one looks. Yeah, those seeds are good and dry too. Some of them are actually kind of shriveled, like that one right there. That one, we'll cull those out. We're just going to take all of these seeds out of here, and then we'll go through them and save the best ones. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Alright, so after going through the seeds, I realized that most of the ones from that second pod that had a little green on it were still too, well, they weren't dry enough for my liking. So this is what I'm left with, is pretty much the ones out of that one first pod. And we'll do that probably with 2 to 4 dozen pods in a season, and we'll get, you know, a few thousand seeds that way. For the next year's planting. And to store this, all I do is I take a quart-sized Ziploc bag. I know this seems like a lot for just this small amount, but I plan on getting quite a bit from this season. I'm going to throw a moisture absorber into this bag just in case there's any moisture left in those seeds. That'll help to keep them fresh in the freezer. And that's it. I'm going to throw this in the freezer, and as I get more seed, I can just add to it. In the past, last year, we tried storing them just on the shelf, and they germinated, they grew, but I didn't find them as vigorous as when they've had a chance to go through a freeze, and the freezer replicates that. So I hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you next time.